Hi everyone, so welcome back. We're in the car now. The computer box has been plugged in. We just finished reading the emo data on the car. Now what's left is to try and adapt. So yep, knock on wood. Okay, synchronization has failed. Now what we're gonna do next is figure out what's going on. Why is it failing? Because we've provided the car with all the data that it needs, so most likely there's a wiring problem or something. I'm just gonna scan the car and see what fault codes I get. So we're just gonna get out of the immobilizer side of the hotel. And then go into diagnostics. And then this is an Audi. Automatic. Read. Okay, got the VIN number, that's fine, then okay. And then I'm gonna choose this one. And then okay. Okay, then diagnosis, auto scan. Okay, so I've got the car connected to jumper cables, and it's connecting to my Corolla over there. Excuse the bumper. Alright. Okay. Now let's check what fault codes we have. We might have a data bus problem. That's all I see at the moment. Engine. Oh, what's this? This is the brakes are complaining that they do not see the engine computer. I know that the computer box is reading. Immobilizer, that's fine. Yep. Cluster, passive communication with the computer box, that's also fine. The passive communication is because I was unplugging the computer box to read the emo data, so yeah, it would complain about that. What I'm more worried about is this comfort control module, which then tells me there's no engine computer, no signal, engine control unit, no signal. So that tells me there is a wiring problem. I'm gonna clear these. Quick erase. So the fact that I can communicate with the computer box means on the engine computer side we are somewhat okay. And then now we need to deal with the wiring and then go back and retry adaptation.